Top 5 breakfast kitchenwares. Number 1. 3-in-1 breakfast center. Having a small apartment shouldn't limit you from enjoying a complete breakfast. With this 3-in-1 breakfast center, you can fry an egg on the oven top non-stick griddle, toast a biscuit in the toaster oven, and brew a hot pot of coffee all at the same time. Number 2. Egg poacher. It is made of food-grade silicone that is non-toxic. It can be used more than just for poaching eggs. It can be used for mini cakes and other desserts. It can also be used to melt chocolates, or you can use it for a jello mold. And the best part is that it's very easy to wash up because of it being made of silicone. I would also say that this is a dorm room essential because of how compact it can be stored. Number 3. Smoothie maker. The Ninja Personal Blender is a great smoothie maker. It can also be used for an ice cream maker. It comes with two 16-ounce cups, 2 spill-proof lids, and 30 recipe guides. It's a great blender. I've used one for years, and it's the best blender I have ever had. The cup and lids are completely dishwasher safe, and if you go with the 700-watt blender, you get 4 cups and 4 lids, and a full recipe book. Number 4. Waffle maker. It makes 1-inch deep Belgian waffles. It comes with a measuring cup and the handles fold for easy storage. The waffle maker handles turn to make sure there is even distribution of batter everywhere on the waffle. My friend's parents bought one a while back and they loved it. They used it about once a week on Sundays for breakfast. Number 5. Microwavable baking grill. This baking grill cooks 4 to 6 pieces to perfection in the microwave. The grill-like design prevents grease splatter and is elevated so that grease drips off of it and into the bottom. It can also be used to heat up sausage links, patties, and other snacks like pizza rolls and taquitos. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below if you enjoyed.